Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to mirror screen of your smartphone to car display. In the beginning, on the screen display on the car, let's go to CarBeat. Use USB to connect, then enable CarBeat Link on mobile. Tap Download app, and now you can scan this QR code to download CarBeat app from Play Store or Google App Store. Next, follow the steps. So, firstly, let's connect the cable. And now let's go to CarBeat Link. As you can see, the car will automatically go to Android Auto Apple CarPlay mode. Now you can use local music, Apple Radio, Apple Music, Google Maps, or any other maps you've got installed on your smartphone. Or you can use phone app, OTA, or Spotify. If you want to mirror screen, tap Mirror Screen button. Now, on your smartphone, start transmission. Now, you can even flip the screen of your smartphone . Watch videos, listen to music, and extend your experience from this app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.